Feeling under the weather, whether it's that nagging cough, a heavy chest, or the draining fever of malaria, I know how much it slows you down. But you don't have to just tough it out. First up, our cold and cough tea. This isn't just a warm drink, it's a powerhouse for your lungs. It's designed to clear persistent coughs and congestion, soothe your throat instantly, boost your immune system so you stay protected. The best part? You don't have to wait until you're sick. Sip it daily for general wellness, to keep your natural defenses strong all year round. And when malaria strikes, don't let it win. Our Ibogo Malaria Relief is formulated to tackle those symptoms head-on, helping you get back on your feet faster and feeling like yourself again. Nature's best for your toughest days. Grab your duo today and prioritize your health. Your body will thank you. For more information, call 070-864-82032 or 080-253-02572.